Alright, here it is. Here's the machine. Got the hood propped up with my fancy handy dandy hood prop. It just looks like a 2x4. A little 3-cylinder engine. Not much to it. Pretty simple. Now this side is the one that still has all the bars in the tracks. There's the sprocket. We'll just do a walk around and work our way up. The undercarriage, kind of hard to see anything with that sun. Blade. Here's the bucket. None of these lines leak. There's some wrap around the hoses up here. That's I guess just to keep them bunched together so they don't get tangled in anything. The cab. Better view of the undercarriage. This is the track that's missing some bars. See right down in there, there's where they popped out. There's the other sprocket. Alright, I'm going to close the hood and we'll fire this thing up. I just checked the oil and everything. That's at full throttle. There's no engine blow-by or anything. So I'm thinking either injector or stuck valve. My mechanic said the cylinder might be washed, but he said if that was the case, I'd probably see blow-by. Ring blow-by, but I don't know. I haven't really dug into it yet. Climb up here and run it a little bit. I'm running it. That's me smoking a cigarette, by the way. That's not the smoke coming from the machine. RPM just because I don't want to stress that engine too much, running it too much. I'll run it a little bit higher. The only real issues this thing has is the smoking and the tracks. Like I said, it was just something I was planning on doing this coming spring. I was just going to rebuild the engine. Found a rebuild kit for 800 bucks online with new sleeves, rings, gaskets, seals, all that. And then I was going to order new injectors. I haven't found any of those yet. I haven't looked that hard though. Well, that's it. Let me know what you think.